Hello everyone, this is Divya Disha, the Management and PR Coordinator of GDSC JIIT Sector 62 Noida. Today, as a part of our hands-on session of 30 days of Google Cloud program, we'll be solving the challenge lab of Skill Batch 5, that is build and secure networks in Google Cloud of our track 1. So without any further delay, let's get started with our challenge lab. So before starting the lab, let's understand the challenge scenario once. So there's a man called Jeff. He owns a website with the name of Juice Shop. Jeff is new to Google Cloud and you are the security consultant brought in by him. You just need to help Jeff perform appropriate configuration for security. So basically, there's a virtual instance of the compute engine called the Bastion. We can only SSH to the Bastion via IAP, which is Identity Aware Proxy. The Juice Shop is SSH to the Bastion and the world can HTTP to the juice shop. So basically ये सारी चीजें आपस में interconnected है. We just need to form the links in order to develop this network. So our challenge lab consists of 5 tasks and we need to complete all of them in order to finish this lab. So let's click on start lab. I'm not a robot. So task 1 says, before starting task, let's open the Google console. We need to log in through these credentials only. Click on accept. And now we are here in a Google Cloud platform. So the first task says that we have to remove the firewall rules. For this, first click on agree. We'll go to navigation menu. VPC network, firewall, select this firewall and click on delete. Confirm this. And it's deleting the open access. It says firewall rule deleted. We can check our progress here. So now task 2. Task 2 says that we have to start the instance of the Bastion host. For this, we'll go to compute engine, VM instances. We can hide our info panel as well as this. Click on the start resume button of the Bastion instance. It says starting Bastion. instance started. We can check our progress. So now task 3. Before starting task 3, let me tell you that task 3 and task 4 are very interconnected to each other. So whatever we'll be doing in task 3, we have to repeat that for task 4 with some modifications, obviously. So you need to make a note of it carefully. It says that we have to create a firewall rule that allows SSH from IAP servers, and that rule should be enabled on Bastion via network tab. So we'll go to VPC networks. Firewall. Create firewall rule. Now you have to name your firewall. I'm naming it as allow SSH from IAP. You need to select the network. Specify the target tags as the Bastion. Now you need to mention the IP range. For that, we can click on this hyperlink. Copy this IP range and mention it here. You need to specify the TCP as 22 and then click on create. It will take a few moments. It says created. After that, we need to go to compute engine, VM instances. Select the Bastion. Click on edit. Specify the network tags as the Bastion. Click on save. Meanwhile, we can check our progress here. So now task 4. We have to repeat that what we did in task 3, but the only difference is that the firewall rule should now be enabled on Juice Shop via network tag to any address. So we'll again go to VPC networks. Firewall. Create firewall rule. Name it. Select the network. Mention the target tags as allow HTTP. Select the source range. So now it was mentioned that हमें एक ऐसा IP range डालना है जिससे to connect it to any network. So this is that. You can make a note of this. Set the TCP to 80. Click on create. Now we need to go to compute engine, VM instances. Click on Juice Shop. Edit. We need to update the network tags. Click on save. Again, we can check our progress. Now task 5th, which says that we have to connect Juice Shop to the Bastion using SSH. And we have to create a firewall rule for that using this network address. We can just copy this network address. Go to VPC networks again. Firewall. Click on create firewall rule. Name it. Select the network. Set the target tags as both Juice Shop and Bastion. And then you need to open this in another tab. You can open this in another tab or in the same tab as this in order to copy the IP address. Now again go to VPC networks, firewall, create firewall rule. Copy the IP ranges. Set the TCP to 22. Click on create. Oops, we made this mistake. We need to copy the name from this IP address. After that, we need to go to Compute Engine, VM instances. Click on Juice Shop. Click on Edit. Set the network tab as Allow HTTP and Juice Shop. We need to save it. We can check our progress. Now we are left with the last task, in which we have to connect the SSH to Juice Shop. So for this, we'll go to navigation menu, Compute Engine, VM instances. Of the Bastion instance, you need to click on SSH. Click on Connect. Need to copy this internal IP of the Juice Shop. And paste it here. Enter yes. Okay, so we have completed all 6 of our tasks, and hence our challenge lab is completed. Thank you all for staying patient with me. Let's quickly conclude what all we have done in this lab. Firstly, we have removed the firewall rule, started the instance of Bastion host, created a firewall rule enabled on Bastion, created another firewall rule enabled on Juice Shop, connected the Juice Shop to Bastion using SSH, and finally SSH to Bastion host via IAP. So that's all. Thank you.